Take a moment and really look at what's on your screen. Having a face for your brand changes everything. It can build trust, recognition, and shows consistency. And with this video, that presence can be shaped to fit your needs, style, and audience. What you just saw didn't come from a camera. It began with a single image and the right prompt. If you're curious how to bring your own personal influencer to life, stay on course. We'll show you how it all comes together. Now let's get started. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this session, we'll be diving into something exciting, how to create your very own AI influencer. And yes, all it takes to get started is a single image and a carefully crafted prompt, which we'll generate using ChatGPT. To do this, we'll be using Google's creative suite called Flow. We'll click on Flow to get started. We'll be utilizing the Nano Banana Pro feature for free. It'll give us an improved precision and control, making our creation smooth and accurate. With that, let's move forward and click on the New Project button to continue. Now we're in the workspace. If you look at the top left, there are two options: video or image mode. For this walkthrough, we'll be using both. But first, we'll select image to transform our already created image into different scenes. Now, let's go ahead and add an image. If you missed our video on how to create human-like image, you can click the pop-up in the top right of your screen. We'll go ahead and set our image to portrait. You can keep yours at landscape, it doesn't really matter. Then we'll hit the crop and save button to continue. To change the scene while keeping our avatar consistent, in this case our influencer, we'll need a tailored prompt. And we've already created one, so let's head back to ChatGPT and copy it before moving on. Every prompt used in this process will be included in the description, including the original prompt we used to create the influencer. We'll go ahead and paste our prompt into the input field and adjust a few settings. We'll set our image to landscape to get a wider view. We like to set the output to 2 so we can compare results and choose the best one. Make sure the model is set to Nano Banana Pro for the most accurate results. Everything looks good, let's hit generate. While the image is being transformed, go ahead and smash the like button. In just a moment, our image will be ready. The image is ready and the one on the left look more appealing, so we'll go with that. We'll click the download button and upscale it to 2K. We'll be creating more images in different scenes, so we'll start by selecting the same image we used for the first scene. This keeps our influencer consistent throughout the process. Next, we'll head back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the next scene. We'll paste in the prompt, give everything a quick check, and once it looks good, we'll hit generate. The new scene is ready and the left option stands out once again. We'll download it before moving on to the next one. Once again, we'll click the plus icon and choose the same base image. Then we'll head back to ChatGPT to grab the prompt for the next change in scenery. The reason we're generating multiple images is to show you that this is completely free. No tricks, no clickbait. We'll paste in the prompt, give everything a quick check, and once it looks good, we'll hit generate. The image is ready and everything looks great. This time, we'll download the image on the right. It has the better setting. For one final run, we'll click the plus icon, select the same base image, then head back to ChatGPT to copy our last prompt. We'll paste in the prompt, give everything a quick check, and once it looks good, we'll hit generate. The final result is ready, and once again, the images look stunning. We'll download our selected version and move into the video portion of this walkthrough, where we'll bring these images to life. For the next phase, we'll switch over to video mode and click the plus icon to add an image. This time, instead of using our original base image, we'll select one of the images with the updated scenery. Our image looks good and our parameters well set. Let's save and proceed. Now, we'll head back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt designed to bring the image to life. We'll paste the prompt into the input field, then switch the command from create image to ingredient to video. Next, we'll tweak a few settings and set the output to 1, giving us a clean, focused result. Finally, make sure the model is set to VO 3.1 fast for the best results. Then we'll hit the generate button to proceed. Our video will soon be ready and we'll preview it together.
Nothing beats this view. Here.
Let's try another example. This time, we'll use the image from the gym studio. We'll head back to ChatGPT to grab the prompt. Now we'll paste our prompt into the input field, take a quick look at our settings, and then hit generate. The video is ready. Let's preview it together.
Gotta stay hydrated between sets. That's better.
Everything looks consistent, so let's give it one final run, this time with a bonus step. We'll go ahead and add the image, then head back to ChatGPT to copy the prompt. Paste it in as usual, give everything a quick check, and then hit generate. The video is ready. Let's preview it. And for the bonus step, you can expand the scenes. Simply click the Add to Scene button at the top left. Then give it time to load, and on this page, click the plus icon to continue. From the pop-up menu, click on Expand to add a new scene. Just like before, we'll head back to ChatGPT to grab the prompt. Once it's pasted in, we can go ahead and hit generate. Let's preview the final result. And that's it. Thank you for spending your time with us. If you got value for your time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. We'll see you in the next one.